Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. My cacti and succulents are already preparing to be dormant, or they are dormant already, some of them. And here is an orchid, and it's not even close to be dormant because it's in bloom. Look how beautiful the flower is. The lip of the flower, which is the big wide white thing here, this is the lip of the plant, is quite large, and it leads, it has an opening that through this tube, like straw-like structure, is leading to the reproductive organs. It is pollinated by moths, this flower, and that's why a moth has a very long proboscis, which is a straw, again, a very long straw-like structure through which it sucks nectar out of the plants, out of this orchid as well. Well, maybe not this specimen, but this species, and pollinates the flower this way. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is. The plant, the orchid, is called Brassavola nodosa. And nodosa means fragrant or smelly. Okay? This is a plant, again, pollinated by moths. Moths are active at night. So the flower is white because there is no need, evolutionary speaking, there is no need for a color at night. It is attracted by the scent, by the smell. Okay, it is, well, the moth is attracted by the scent, and also white color is visible at night. Like, white is actually not a color; it's just white, lack of color rather. So if it is white, if there is a little bit of light, the flower will be visible as well, even at night. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it wonderful? I'm so happy. I really am very excited whenever I have a flower, a plant that is flowering. Well, these are the leaves of this plant, Brassavola nodosa. They are very succulent leaves. They are very thick. They are very sturdy. The plant is very resilient when it comes to lack of water. It can sustain periods of drought. In fact, during winter time, it needs a dry rest. However, we cannot exaggerate. Last year, I started the winter rest a little bit too soon, and the new leaves that were forming simply dried out. Maybe they would have even have flowered if I kept watering the plant last year. Okay, so it is important to, when the plant goes to dormancy, not to do it too soon. The plant is completely dry for about 3 months, and then once it's warmer, once the days are getting longer, I start watering it again. Then sometime throughout the growth season, throughout the summer, new leaves are forming. This year, only one leaf formed. New leaves are forming, and then in the late fall, just like now, there will be flowers forming from those new leaves. Okay, and here are all the stems of the flowers from the previous years. Okay, the gray ones. Okay, Brassavola nodosa, a beautiful orchid, pollinated by moths, blooming in late fall. Beautiful, amazing plant. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great rest of the day.